How's it going, you guys? It's Roblox Scripts here, and I'm back with another video. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you the best auto farm for the hood. Now it's going to be in the link on the description below. It's going to be a Pastebin for this GUI. I in no way, shape, or form encourage the usage of any exploits. These videos are, keep in mind, just for educational purposes only. So I'm going to go into the lowest server that I can find just so I'm not annoying anyone, and I'm actually going to paste the script really quickly into here. I'm going to wait for my synapse to update really quickly. It'll take a couple seconds. As you can see, there we go, it's ready. And once I'm into the hood server, I'm going to show you guys how the Autofarm works. It's actually pretty easy to use, and I've used it a couple of times. As you can see, once you execute the script, this is going to happen, and self-explanatory pretty much. Once you turn it on, you're just going to start auto farming. Now I'm most likely going to leave this on for around a minute or two. In your time, I'm going to speed it up, so in my time it's going to be a couple of minutes, 5 to 10 minutes of auto farming to see how much we can make. So right now it's 4:13. We're going to see how much we can make in, let's say, 7 minutes. So we'll leave it on to 4:20. And let's go ahead and do this. So once you press it, it's going to automatically start doing that. I'm just going to speed it up, like I said, for 2:21, and I'll be right back. Around 7 minutes, and it's around 4:21 right now because I did leave the game just so I can show you guys exactly how much money my character has. I'm going to leave the footage all the way along until I left, and probably just gonna cut it. Now if you look right now, I went from 221,000 in around 7 minutes. Keep in mind, this was a very short amount of time, and I am already at, waiting for it to load here, 233,000, meaning we made around 12k in 7 minutes. So if you guys like this video, make sure you drop a like and subscribe to my channel. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.